Kajia lang katanat social welfare ka sarkar jela hak arpo pratare ujembang arjar psau kabla clear do menteri kate katanat uba polling do haringkat ki officer katanat kampo yeng ki seng treimon subhana kaleng ka jela kala shemi karai paikmat jakajing ai jingi treilang da ki bosh nong hagat ma persya yo drugs haba pentep sikilat patai kubor uba polling do uloong baka sarkar jela kala shemi karai ban pen klanya ki jingdon ki village defense party VDP haki jaka bajur bahau drugs ringkat ka jingtmu ban telakam yo new jingdi pen buat Uliah tu bala penlang ru ikajing elang menjit banyak halor kajing ya cekmat kajing trekam ke drugs reduction elimination and action mission ke dream. Ulah benrap baka sarkar kam kuat ban yo i baka dream kandai tang kasin jam ban rating kong yo drugs bat jing di penbuat Henry don kam kajing snok ti lang ki no tray mon sungpha haka im lang sa lang.
The discussions were wide ranging and covered a lot of areas. We reviewed the progress of the Dream Mission, the various interventions that have taken place, and also we looked at the way forward and how to address the gaps that we noticed in tackling the menace of drugs. One major area of concern for us was the need to make the program more community oriented. We would not like to see DREAM as just a government initiative, but because it's very important that in order to eliminate and eradicate the menace of drugs and narcotics, we need to broaden the involvement of civil society. And one of the areas of discussion was on the revamping and reorganizing and also to look at the possibility of organizing the village defense parties especially in the identified hotspots, including the city of Shillong. So in the last two sessions of interactions with the Pashtons, there was a general consensus that the Shnongs would like to be involved in identifying and also tackling this menace. So today's discussion, we focused on the possibility of strengthening the presence of VDPs across the state of Meghalaya. Well, one of the gaps was, for instance, the fact that the various Shnongs felt that they are not adequately empowered, and for some of them to even identify and be involved in the process of taking a person, an accused, and registering cases against them in the police station becomes a very cumbersome task. So that was one area. And we thought that better policing would happen if we are able to involve the communities through the VDPs. That is going to be a major initiative that we are going to revamp and revive the presence of VDPs across the state. The duties and functions of these VDPs include A, to assist the police in the maintenance of law and order, peace and tranquility when needed. Okay, then to carry out patrol and watch in the area allotted for the party, prevent theft, burglaries, dacoities, and other unlawful activities for protection of public lives and properties, and 3, to prevent commission of crime. So drugs come certainly under the ambit of the duties and functions of these VDPs, and they will be adequately trained. There are various sections that deal with this particular aspect, and we will be calling very shortly a general meeting involving the various Shnongs, beginning with Greater Shillong City.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya